We're always thinking about how to make our office space best possible for our hardworking and productive agents. Our agents are making difference every day, and so we are making difference for our agents. Rib Mountain Glass is doing our office addition here. They're doing a great job, and it looks already beautiful. We are excited. This looks beautiful. Good job. You guys did it within like 4 or 5 hours, right? Huh. This looks very pretty.
We're not going to talk around the window.
Okay.
If it's a sound issue, then just give Kurt a call and then somebody can come around and talk around here.
Somebody who,
One of us. I mean,
why wouldn't you caulk?
it looks better without.
Okay.
That's usually for exterior. Keep butter,
Okay.
moisture out. If it becomes a sound issue, then we'll just follow
Yeah,
up.
the girl who is inside,
Yeah.
she,
Yells a lot?
no, she's really good, you know. When she speaks, we like listening to her, right? When she speaks, we feel very energized. Yes, I'm recording. I'm recording. And that's our location. This is our office. I'm walking right to our office. And obviously we are expanding here. See this, our offices are now stretching for over 5,000 square feet. This is where our office is starting, and it keeps going to very end of this building. And I'd like to introduce you to our little hero, little real estate hero. His name is Emo Man. Often we call him Emo Guy. And this little character is Emo Man, our Emo Guy. Emo Guy is there to show you new listings when they come up. Sometimes they show you where the lot lines are about, and they also attract attention. We created Emo Man to show you, to showcase our listings and to be part of our community. Whenever you see Emo Man, that's a sign that there's an amazing listing coming up soon. And today, I'm dressed just like Emo Man. I am mimicking our Emo Man. See, I'm dressed in blue pants. Hi there, guys. I wear the red tie, and I'm just like our Emo Man. It's very much like Emo Man. See? Here. That's me, and that's Emo. It's fun to try to look like your own hero, like a character that is your own role model. And Emo is just about to be perfect. He's very ethical, he's very involved in community, he does lots of good, he cares about his city, about neighborhoods, and he's an amazing real estate agent. And so, why not? We want to be just like Emo.
Experience for you. And then emo, interestingly enough, is German and some other European languages. Emo stands for real estate.
Oh,
In fact, in Latin, it means yes.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I could go off on a tangent there, but just keep it as German real estate. So Amaximmo, maximize an American maximize experience in selling, in your case, selling your house, and emo real estate. Now the founders, Gizo and his wife Elena, really, really interesting couple. Gizo, we hit it off when I first met him, and he's actually from the country of Georgia, and then his wife is from Germany. Wow. And they're absolute patriots. They love it here. They're so grateful to be here. And they've been here about 18 years, and they've been in real estate for about 14 years now. And they're raising their beautiful 10-year-old daughter here. And so between the both of them, they're approaching about 30 years of combined real estate experience. They were originally with First Weber for just, I think, a couple years, and then they were most recently before that, they were with Coldwell Banker. So they know the ins and outs of the industry. They love Wausau. They're engaged. They're husband-wife team that branched out on their own just about 5 months ago to start Amaximmo, and so that's where the name comes from. And their heart is, really just to be, give a small town flavor. We're not a big, nationwide
Yet.
The narrator. We're not, a nationwide. We're not up there with Remax and Coldwell Banker. And then, as I mentioned, they actually came out of that to start something new and fresh. And the team that they've put together is fantastic. There's two teams. There's one called the Gem team, which I'm a part of, and then there's the home team, which is also made up of, headed up by some other veteran realtors. So, myself and my counterpartner here, Jacqueline, we're fresh to the industry, and then there's one other realtor who's just been with us for a few months, but we're surrounded by just wisdom and just really veterans in the field that love what they're doing. They're excited about branching off, and things are off to a great start with Maximo. So we're consider it a privilege to be able to share with you what's going on. So what separates Maximo from others is really when it comes down to it, as I said, again, we're not a big nationwide corporation or company, so we don't have all the overhead. And then, one thing that we pride ourselves in is that we really want to be part of the community. So for every listing that we have, every purchase agreement that we have, we give 5% to local charities, and that's up to you. Whatever you want to
So we get
name.
to choose?
Within Marathon County, yes.
Isn't that wonderful?
So again, we want to be
wonderful.
members of the community, and our headquarters is 101 Scott Street, right across from the Dudley Building. Okay. So we're not just out there in some back alley. We're right there.
Good location.
And that matches our logo of first class in real estate. And this thing is taking off. It's booming. I have 5 years from now. People are going to know Maximo very, very well beyond Wausau. All right, so really, when you're comparing, different, as you mentioned, you're going to be with one, or it sounds like maybe two other realtors. Really, what it comes down to is marketing.
There's people coming.
It's Vasilis people.
Oh, okay.
Keep going.
So marketing is, that's.
Клисайся. Ты клисай или ко мне?
So let me ask you, what does your company do for marketing? What tools would you be using?
Yeah, good question. What we're going to do within a week is we're going to get a photographer in here, and then also a videographer. So as you can see.
Now, do we have to pay for any of these expenditures, or is this coming out of the company?
No. So good question. So before you even, the moment you sign up with us, we're going to pay out of pocket, no cost to you. We're going to pay roughly $500 just to get a professional photographer in here, and he does stellar job.
You don't want to probably say it that way. This is Wausau downtown, and I'm Gizo Jarmeli from Amaximmo First Class in Real Estate. I'm just heading to our location, and our location is in very heart of Wausau, downtown of Wausau, right by the Dudley Tower in a ramp building, 101 Scott Street. I can't tell you there is any better location for real estate company than ours. When we started our company, and that was just about 5 months ago, we looked very thoroughly for different locations, and at the end, we knew that we wanted to be in downtown of Warsaw because we're also a big part of this community. We live in this community, we know this community, and we want to contribute to this community. That's exactly what we are doing. We make this downtown area alive by placing our business right here in the heart of this city. We donate after every single sale 5% of our profits to local charities in Marathon County. That's our contribution, and that's our way of making difference. Amaximmo is a first class in giving, not just first class in real estate. Amaximmo is a company that defines moving as a way more than just the changing of place.
Oh my gosh,
What?
I forgot to tell you.
The office is in making. This is how things look right now. It's gonna be awesome, beautiful place. We had little bit of discussion about the color of this frame.
It would be in silver.
Elena says she wishes it would be in silver
Or gold.
or gold, but it's only dark champagne. I guess I'm fine with that. And I like it.
and Builder.com and the other sites, and of course MLS. But one thing that we do differently from others is we pay premium right up front and ongoingly, and we pay more to get the early listings out there, so your coverage is going to be far greater, and that's the number one goal.
I emailed it to him. I haven't heard back, but I mean.
So the earnest money, is it earnest
Yes.
money? You need to bring it to the listing company, right? Yeah.
It's made out to the trust account, right?
It's Dreamex?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Max
So,
Excel
yeah.
trust.
So if it's to Remax, you bring it or Vasily could bring it. Doesn't matter. Somebody will bring it. We'll get it.
It's fine. I just.
It's just, the whole thing needs to be done.
Yeah, I said the house needs to be on the lake. Isn't the house
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the
yeah.
lake?
It's like a country house.
You went inside already?
No, I didn't. My buyer even didn't want to go any further.
Ah.
When we came to driveway, she said, "Oh, I think it's just too much. Let's move on."
He's very cool, but yeah, it needs a lot of work.
Yeah.
Sometime it was a wonderful house, some time ago.
Yeah, and there is like lots of. How much land was there? It's a bigger lot, right?
I think
Yeah, 0.6. There's this outbuilding there and some garage or something.
big.
Yeah, yeah.
Just within the last 5 months, and then you're spot on. So I think the price is there. So any questions or comments about that?
Well, I'm happy that the price is there. But I guess my worry would be then how commission would be factored into
Right,
it.
right, and I knew that's where we're heading, and that's a good valid question, because that's how we make our bread and butter is commission. So yeah, you've seen that, as I mentioned, it doesn't matter who you go through, we're pretty much going to be in that 5 to 7%. And where we are, Scott, is we're pretty much right in the middle there, 6%. And the vast majority of the agents that you're going to talk to are going to be right around that 6% threshold. And as I've told you about our company, I've told you about the photographer, the videographer, the domain names that we have, the maximized exposure to get your house out there, and especially in the first 2 weeks, it's crucial because we want to wait. We don't want to list this thing. Let's say when we're all said and done today, you're ready to list with us right now, which is I hope the case. I hope that's the case that you're ready to say, I pick it off on the phone, and I'm here to help you. If you succeed, I succeed. We're a team. I work for you. I'm not here working against you. I don't set the price. I'm here to tell you you're spot on. If you want to tweak it and a couple thousand up or a couple thousand down, I'm with you. I'm with you. So, but in terms of the commission, you need to know that there's an overhead. Before we even do anything, I mean, let's say we sign on with you right away. I come out, I got to put a sign up in your front door and get the lockbox on, and we run with the photographer, videographer, and then all the marketing. Just for you to sign on with us is almost like an initial $500-600 range just to initiate it, and then after that, there's the procurement costs of just daily doing business and keeping your listing out there.
Oh my gosh,
What?
I forgot to tell.
The office is in making. This is how things look right now. It's gonna be awesome, beautiful place. We had little bit of discussion about the color of this frame. Elena says she wishes it would be in silver or gold, but it's only dark champagne. I guess I'm fine with that. And I like it. This looks beautiful. Good job. You guys did it within like 4 or 5 hours, right? Huh. This looks very pretty.
We're not gonna talk around the window.
Okay.
If it's a sound issue, then just give Kurt a call and then somebody will come around and talk around here.
Somebody who,
One of us. I mean,
why wouldn't you caulk?
it looks better without.
Okay.
That's usually for exterior. Keep fire,
Okay.
moisture out. If it becomes a sound issue, then we'll just follow
Yeah,
up.
the girl who is inside,
Yeah.
she,
Yells a lot?
no, she's really good, you know. When she speaks, we feel very energized.
Are you sure?
Yes.